My friends think it's pretty amazing that I get to come and work on airplanes every day. Hi, I'm Connor. I'm an aircraft service technician at KF Aerospace. As an aircraft service technician, you basically work on all the interior parts of an airplane, like removing seats, carpets, sidewall panels, overhead bins. You also have to do some aircraft cleaning as well, which like the underside of wings, on top of wings, the fuselage. Basically make sure everything's clean and make sure the interiors are ripped apart properly and put back together properly. I came in green, but they do have like a 3-week training course prior to like coming onto the floor. So you're like up in a classroom. They kind of have like a makeshift like airplane up there, kind of just like seats and tracks and like the galleys and labs up there that you kind of can just take apart and mess around with. And then after 3 weeks, then you come down and start on the floor. The most exciting part about my job at KF Aerospace is not knowing what I'm going to be doing, how everything's always different every single day. My goals for my time at KF is to eventually work my way up, maybe become a structures or mechanic. I haven't really decided yet. It's an amazing team, and so far everybody's been awesome to work with.